Well, hello there. My name is Marion Brand from Brand Fitness, and today I'm in my home and I'm doing a workout here, and I will meet you over on your workout floor. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out all my links below for all my programs. I have a 28-day fit and fabulous transformation, and you might want to try that. Very comprehensive program with a awesome meal plan and also workouts for 4 weeks. And this is the program I use in my studio and it gets results. So you're going to want to try it too. So check out the links below for that. It is a paid for program. I do also have a free walking workout challenge if you want to try that as well. Okay, let's march it out. Roll those shoulders, roll and march and roll and march. Keep it going. And roll. One more time. We're going to do a step touch, step touch. Do nice big moves if you can. Let's go into hamstring curl. And 4 more. 3, 2. Let's tap and reach it up. So reach. You're looking good. I can see you. 4, 3, 2. Reach to the front. Arms, press it out. Let's lift those one knee up and knee. Four more. 3, core is engaged, shoulders are back. Let's do a double. So 1, 2, 2. Still going. Air skip, just a little bit of skip. How are you feeling? Lunge back, lunge back. Lunge back, changing legs. Let's pulse it now. So pulse, 2, 3, come up. Pulse, 2, 3, and pulse. Again, let's do 4 more. 4, back up, 3, back up, 2, back up, 1 more. Side leg lift, just lift and lower. Lead with the heel, so you're a little bit pigeon-toed. Core is engaged, shoulders are back, looking good. I got 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and other side. Lift and lower. Lift. Four more. 3. I feel glute medius here. 2, and 1. March it out. Get those knees up. Everyone's good. I see you working hard. Let's do a grapevine. So side and side. Music's a little bit slow, but You can do a bigger move if you have a bigger place. I don't, where I am right now. This is my little room off my kitchen. Oh, it's getting faster. Let's just do hamstring curl, step and curl, and curl. Keep it going. We got 4, 3, 2, march it up. March. We're gonna come forward. 3, 2, come up. 1, 2, 3, and then knee back. Make sure there's no equipment around. You don't want to trip. Still going. I'm definitely warm. I have to take this sweatshirt off. Let's do a modified jacks. Jacks. If you want to jump, you can. I need 4 more. 4, 3. That's actually 8 if you're jumping. 1 more on each side. Okay, march. Going into our squats in 4, 3, feet are hip width apart. Come down slow. Back up. So make sure sitting bum back. Back up. You don't want the knees to come forward. Yes, looking good. You want to load those, push through the heels, load the glutes. Feel those glutes working. Still going. Down and up. Let's do a couple pulses. Keep going. Pulse, 2, 3, come up. Pulse, 2, 3, come up. Pulse, 2, 3, come up. Pulse. Okay, march it out. Are you warm? Everyone's warm? March it out. Get those knees up nice and high. Okay, I'm gonna go to a tap, tap, tap. A little bit of core rotation. We're looking good. Let's do it a little bit more. Core is engaged. So I'm pivoting a little bit on my toes. Let's get the box. Jab, jab. So when you're jabbing, remember, push it out, pull it in. Not dancing, not out and in. Uppercut, belly. So it's right like that. Forward. Protect your face, your beautiful face. Let's do a hook. Hook. So the more you put into it, the more you're gonna feel it. 4, 3, 2, let's do jacks. You can jump if you want. Keep it going. So knee pulls, pull, pull. Let's make it big. Let's do a double. 1, 2, pull. Still going. Skip, air skip. Okay, I'm breathing now. 4, 3, I'm gonna tap 2 to the side. 1, 2, 1. Still going. Into a single here, just tap, tap, and reach. I like it. Air skip again. We got it. We're so good. Keep it going. I can see you. Okay, let's jog forward, jog, and back. Forward. Forward. Okay, stop here. Out again. Give me a hook, hook. So like around, right to the side. Uppercut, uppercut. Yes. Back to jabs, jab. 4, 3, singles uppercut, like this. Not seen. Out, out. Keep centered. Push, push. Jabs now straight. Jab. Not dancing. It's like jab, pull it back. I'm sweating. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do a shuffle. Turn to the side. I'm gonna forward, forward. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, cross, back, back. 1, 2, cross, back. So shuffle and back, back. Shuffle, back and back. Shuffle, back. Hold on, let me do it slower. Shuffle, back. One more. Back, so next. Take it away. You can jump it if you want. I'm breathing heavy. My cheeks are red. You can do this. They go, stop now, Marion. 4 more. 4, 3, that's 8. 2, to the side. The forward and back, forward, back, forward, back. A little bit of a shuffle with a jab when you come forward. Jab, jab. Looking good. So you can keep it low impact, or you can do a little bit of a little bounce. Let's come up forward. Remember, 2, 3, cross, back, back. 1, 2, 3, cross, back. 1, 2. If you want to add the shuffle, 3, cross, shuffle. 1, 2, cross, duck, and duck. 1, 2, 3, cross, duck. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can feel it. 2 more. Go. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. One more, I made it through. March it out. How are you feeling? Ah, just tap. So we're gonna have to bring our heart rate down because the next round will be coming down to our mat. So let's roll the shoulders. A little bit of standing core. Lock it in side to side. You can have your hands here. You just want to be at the waist. Let's try small, 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 big, small, big. So you can feel it. Belly buttons in. This time, bring your arms out. Big. Out. 2. With control, you can feel the core working. 1, 2, out. Last one. Let's crunch. Elbow to knee. So here. Oh, my pants are so sparkly. It's a sparkly new year. Go. Let's keep those hands here. I'm starting to feel this. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab some water. Well, I thank you for joining me. I hope you had a good workout. I certainly did. As you can see, my cheeks are all sweaty and rosy red. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and check out all my links below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.